Sai, Vishwa Sai.
A recital of Satcharitra on Thursdays between 6 and 6:30 in the evening.
Shubham Bhavatu.
गिरिधर नागर कुंज विहारी, गिरिधर नागर कुंज विहारी, मधुवर संचारी पर्ति विहारी, मधुवर संचारी पर्ति विहारी, मधुवन संचारी पर्ति विहारी, गिरिधर नागर कुंज विहारी.
Why 1-800-578-1904? I said I want a wonderful website for my business.
Yes, you said website at reasonable rate.
And what is TIU Consulting?
Are creators of custom application software.
Are they experts in website development?
Yes. Get details from tiuconsulting.com or call
1-800-578-1904.
Namaskar Sai Ram. Welcome to this special program called Shirdi Sai Vishwa Sai. By Baba's grace, this is 23rd episode of this weekly program in which we have lots of steps that helps us in rekindling the feeling of our nearness with Baba, the feeling of our being one with the divine. And the most profound and significant influence that happens in the mysterious area of our Chetana is through words, and especially when we are listening to Vedic chanting, that always uplifts us.
प्रणो देवी सरस्वती वाजेभिर्वाजिनीवती धीनाम विप्रियवतु. श्रीमहागणाधिपतये नमः. श्रीमहासरस्वत्यै नमः. श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः. हरिः ओम्. स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्तां न्याय्येन मार्गेण महीं महिषाः. गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यं. लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु. सर्वे जनाः सुखिनो भवन्तु. समस्तसन्मङ्गलानि भवन्तु. विश्वकल्याणसिद्धिरस्तु. पार्वतीपतये हर हर. जय बोलो शिरडी साईनाथ महाराज की.
Ekam Sat Vibra Bahuda Vadanti. Truth is one, sages call it by many names. God is one. There is a song and proclamation of Sanatan Dharma, and also this is the favorite song of Vishwa Yogi Vishwamji Maharaj. Let us hear it from him. God is one, God is one, God is one for everyone.
God is one, God is one, God is one for everyone. God is one, God is one, God is one for everyone. God is one, God is one, God is one for everyone. God is one, God is one, God is one for everyone. God is here, God is there, God, God everywhere. God is here, God is there, God, God everywhere. 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 God is Rama, God is Krishna, God is Jesus, God is Nanak. God is Rama, God is Krishna, God is Jesus, God is Nanak. God is Rama, God is Krishna, God is Jesus, God is Nanak. God is Rama, God is Krishna, God is Jesus, God is Nanak. God is Allah, God is Buddha, God is Amma, God is Baba. God is one, God is one, God is one for everyone. God is here, God is there, God everywhere. God everywhere. God everywhere. God everywhere. God everywhere. Om Sai Natha Jai, Sri Sai Natha Jai. Om Sai Natha Jai, Sri Sai Natha Jai. Om Sai Natha Jai, Sri Sai Natha Jai. Sri Sai Natha Jai. Shirdi Sai Natha Jai. Satya Sai Natha Jai. Om Sai Natha Jai, Sri Sai Natha Jai. Om Sai Natha Jai, Sri Sai Natha Jai. Om Sri Sai Ram Gurudeva Datta. Om Sri Sai Ram Gurudeva Datta. Om Sri Sai Ram Gurudeva Datta. Gurudeva Datta. Gurudeva Datta. Om Sri Sai Ram Gurudeva Datta. Om Sri Sai Ram Gurudeva Datta. Gurudeva Datta. Gurudeva Datta. Gurudeva Datta.
Sometimes we wonder what is the importance of satsang and what is satsang after all? And is it possible to be a part of satsang without grace? This question was addressed in a satsang which was held last Sunday at Sai Temple, Baldwin. Let's find out what is satsang.
I deem it a privilege given by Sainath to be here to participate in this satsang. Without His grace, it is not possible at all for any satsang to happen, for anything to happen. The grace of God is very, very essential. And the grace is always there, but we have to do our work to be able to be eligible to take that grace. Now, satsang, what is satsang? Satsang is defined by our ancestors as the association with Satpurushas. That is satsang. Because previously, in our olden days, there used to be a number of Satpurushas, sadhus, rishis, ascetics. And many people used to congregate to them for knowing the knowledge about their true nature. And this satsang, what is going it to do? Satsang is very essential for development of devotion to God, for acquisition of knowledge, for development of wisdom, for discrimination, for dispassion, for non-attachment, for equanimity of mind, and finally for reaching salvation or self-realization. That is why it is said, Satsangatve Nisangatvam, Nisangatve Nirmohatvam, Nirmohatve Nischalatatvam, Nischalatatve Jivan Mukti. So these are different steps which we get through satsang.
When we are near people who are full of the awareness of their truth, awareness of their true self, then that also radiates a sense of harmony for us. And if you are in the close proximity of a realized being, you automatically feel a sense of joy and happiness, and something that can be termed as bliss becomes a part of your experience. So when Telugu star singer Sunita came into the holy presence of Sri Satya Sai Baba, what was her experience? She shared that experience along with some of the devotional bhajans in a gathering organized by the devotees of Satya Sai Baba at Saraswati Hall in Flush.
So when she told me, I was actually prepared, and when I started to perform, it went on and on and on and on and on, and landed up with 11 songs. I performed 11 songs in front of God, and that too I heard that I didn't know anything before I went to Puttaparthi and performed there. When I came to know that this never happened before in a couple of years, I was thrilled, and this is all because I'm blessed. That's all. He blessed me like anything. But even now, when I close my eyes and think of that moment, his voice rings in my eyes, and whatever he spoke to me for 20 minutes there in Prasanthi Nilayam that day. And what else I want in life? That's all. No korikalu, no, this is all like, Maya Prapancham laga anpistundi. That's all. So, why I'm sharing this means, say, we all sing. If I experience, if I share my experience with you, you feel good about it, and I gain a lot of energy from you also, a lot of positive energy, and that gives me another 100 years of life singing, strength and capacity. And he told me one thing. You should never sing for others. Never ever sing for others. You sing for yourself. I can't express whenever this is experience one should experience. That's all. This is lifetime experience for me. And after I came back after August 15th performance, when I came back to Hyderabad, and I got a call from Puttaparthi saying, Baba was asking about you. Mrs. Chaitanya called me and she told me that he never asked him about anyone like this before. He was asking about you, and he wants to see you again. And why don't you come and perform on Ladies' Day? When I went again, while my performance, he suddenly went inside to check something, and he came out again and joined me back. I was totally disappointed that Baba left while I'm singing. I have no inhibitions. He's just like my mother. And when he came back, and I asked him, why you went inside like a small kid. And he said, exactly, he smiled like this and he answered me, you're my guest, right? So I have to treat you in a proper way. So I was checking what sari suits you. So he came with somebody bought 2 sarees, one in not yellow, no, gandham color, sandalwood color, and other one is maroon color. He gave me a sandalwood saree and he told me that this is from my side. No, I like this one. This is for you. And maroon color, this suits you well. So, I will never ever forget that experience with Baba. Oh my God. Shri Ramachandra Kripal Bhajapara Haran Bhava Bhaya Sarunam Nava Kanjalochana Kanjamukhakara Kanjapada
That which sustains us and strengthens us is the uplifting flow of the divine references. And Sai Charitra opens up in a way special presence of Shirdi Baba through his Leelas. Continuing with Sai Charitra in today's episode. And now the time for the sequence of Sai Charitra Parayana. Today we are in the middle of chapter 11 of Sri Sai Charitra.
Om Gananam Tva Ganapatigum Havamahe Kavim Kavinamupamashravastamam Jyeshtarajam Brahmanam Brahmanaspada Shrunvannotibhisye dasadanam.
एक अन्य अवसर पर मध्याह्न के समय धूनी की अग्नि इतनी प्रचंड होकर जलने लगी कि उसकी लपटें ऊपर छत तक पहुंचने लगीं। मस्जिद में बैठे हुए लोगों की समझ में न आता था कि जल डालकर अग्नि शांत कर दें अथवा कोई अन्य उपाय काम में लावें। बाबा से पूछने का साहस भी कोई कर नहीं पा रहा था, परंतु बाबा शीघ्र परिस्थिति को जान गए। उन्होंने अपना सटका उठाकर सामने के खंबे पर बलपूर्वक प्रहार किया और बोले, नीचे उतरो, शांत हो जाओ। सटके की हर ठोकर पर लपटें कम होने लगीं और कुछ मिनटों में ही धूनी शांत और यथापूर्वक हो गई। श्री साई ईश्वर के अवतार हैं। जो उनके सामने नत होकर उनके शरणागत होगा उस पर वे अवश्य कृपा करेंगे। जो भक्त इस अध्याय की कथाएं प्रतिदिन श्रद्धा और भक्ति पूर्वक पठन करेगा उसका दुखों से शीघ्र ही छुटकारा हो जाएगा। केवल इतना ही नहीं वरन उसे सदैव श्री साई चरणों का स्मरण बना रहेगा और उसे अल्पकाल में ही ईश्वर दर्शन की प्राप्ति होकर उसकी समस्त इच्छाएं पूर्ण हो जाएंगी और इस प्रकार वो निष्काम बन जाएगा। श्री सद्गुरु साई नाथार्पणम अस्तु। शुभम भवतु। ओम श्री साई राम गुरुदेव दत्त। श्री साई सच्चरित्र के गोविंद रघुनाथ दाभोलकर रचित श्री साई सच्चरित्र अध्याय 12वां। काका महाजनी, धुमाल वकील, श्रीमती निमोणकर, नासिक के मुलेश शास्त्री, एक डॉक्टर के द्वारा बाबा की लीलाओं का अनुभव। इस अध्याय में बाबा किस प्रकार भक्तों से भेंट करते और कैसा बर्ताव करते थे, इसका वर्णन किया गया है। संतों का कार्य। हम देख चुके हैं कि ईश्वरीय अवतार का ध्येय साधुजनों का परित्राण और दुष्टों का संहार करना है, परंतु संतों का कार्य तो सर्वथा भिन्न ही है। संतों के लिए साधु और दुष्ट प्राय एक समान ही हैं। यथार्थ में उन्हें दुष्कर्म करने वालों की प्रथम चिंता होती है और वे उन्हें उचित पथ पर लगा देते हैं। वे भवसागर के कष्टों को सोखने के लिए अगत्य की तरह हैं और अज्ञान और अंधकार का नाश करने के लिए सूर्य के समान हैं। संतों के हृदय में भगवान वासुदेव निवास करते हैं, वे उनसे अलग नहीं हैं। श्री साई भी उसी कोटि में हैं, जो कि भक्तों के कल्याण के निमित्त ही अवतीर्ण हुए थे। वे ज्ञान ज्योति स्वरूप थे और उनकी दिव्य प्रभा अपूर्व थी। उन्हें समस्त प्राणियों से एक समान प्रेम था। वे निष्काम और नित्य मुक्त थे। उनकी दृष्टि में शत्रु, मित्र, राजा और भिक्षुक सब एक समान थे। आप सुने, अब कृपया उनका यश श्रवण करें। भक्तों के लिए उन्होंने अपना दिव्य गुण समूह पूरी तरह प्रयोग किया और सदैव उनकी सहायता के लिए तत्पर रहते थे। उनकी इच्छा के बिना कोई भक्त उनके पास पहुंच ही न सकता था। यदि उनके शुभ कर्म उदित नहीं हुए हैं तो उन्हें बाबा की स्मृति भी कभी नहीं आई और न ही उनकी लीलाएं उनके कानों तक पहुंच पाईं। तब फिर बाबा के दर्शनों का विचार भी उन्हें कैसे आ सकता था। अनेक व्यक्तियों की श्री साई बाबा के दर्शन की इच्छा होते हुए भी उन्हें बाबा के महासमाधि लेने तक कोई योग प्राप्त न हो सका। अतः ऐसे व्यक्ति जो दर्शन लाभ से वंचित रहे हैं, यदि वे श्रद्धापूर्वक साई लीलाओं का श्रवण करेंगे तो उनकी साई दर्शन की इच्छा बहुत कुछ सीमा तक तृप्त हो जाएगी। भाग्यवश यदि किसी को किसी प्रकार बाबा के दर्शन हो भी गए तो वो वहां अधिक ठहर न सका। इच्छा होते हुए भी केवल बाबा की आज्ञा तक ही वहां रुकना संभव था और आज्ञा होते ही स्थान छोड़ देना आवश्यक हो जाता था। अतः ये सब उनकी शुभ इच्छा पर ही अवलंबित था।
सदा निम्बवृक्षस्य मूलाधिवासात् सुधास्राविणं तिक्तमप्यप्रियन्तम् तरुं कल्पवृक्षाधिकं साधयन्तं नमामीश्वरं सद्गुरुं साईनाथम्।
When we have somebody asking us question about Sai Baba from Sai Charitra, it helps us in getting back to Sai Charitra, recollecting what we have read or going back to it and finding out the answer. With that spirit we started Sai Quiz, and in last episode the question was name that temple where Kakaji Vaidya was a priest, and the correct answer, Sapt Shrangi Devi's temple, was sent to us by Bhadrakali Vadadi, Aruna Sapra, Pankaj Doshi. And also we want to apologize to Palak Vaidya for not including her name. She had sent correct answer to earlier questions about the total number of chapters that are there in Sai Charitra, and 51 was the answer sent by her, which got skipped. So congratulations Palak for reminding and correcting me on this. Today we don't have a specific question for you. The question is, share what you feel is special about Shirdi Sai Vishwa Sai. Share what is special about Shirdi Sai Vishwa Sai. You are also encouraged to add your suggestions for this program. And that is all the time that we have for this episode of Shirdi Sai Vishwa Sai. Sai Ram. Namaskar.
Why 1-800-578-1904? I said I want a wonderful website for my business.
Yes, you said website at reasonable rate.
And what is TIU Consulting?
Are creators of custom application software.
Are they experts in website development?
Yes. Get details from tiuconsulting.com or call
1-800-578-1904.
गिरिधर नागर कुंज विहारी, गिरिधर नागर कुंज विहारी, मधुवर संचारी पर्ति विहारी
बाबा नानक दृश्याया निरंजनी सद्गुरु स्वामी निज विलसी जिया स्वामी सुखे निराकरा अवधूता बाबा करा साईनाथ